Hi, I am Anindam Mullik and you all are welcome to my Python programming basic course. Our today's topic is list in Python programming. Let's start. What is list? First of all, we know that list is a data type, right? List is a most versatile data type in Python programming. Why I say that is versatile? List data type is okay. Listed data type in Python, no doubt. But why it is versatile? Why I say versatile this word? I will explain after some time. Okay. Now, a list consists of some items which are separated by comma and which are enclosed with some square brackets. This square bracket means some list in simple way we can say that list is a some contains some of consists of some items which are you on separated by some commas, okay, and which are enclosed under the square brackets. I will give you an example, then this topic are clear how can I create a list. But for now just remember what is list. Now list is a like similar to the array, but only difference we know what is array. If you know the C programming, okay, you know what is array. List is like a similar to array, but there is a difference between array and list. We know that array every time store the values of the same data type. We know that, but list have the provide some special thing. List allowed to store or contain the values of some different data types also. We know that in C there is a concept of linked list. This list in Python, they have the both concept of array as well as linked list. Both the concept are included in list. Okay, means there is a flexibility of the list which are allowed us in Python to store the different data types value. That means we are stored like integer, then float, then string in same list. It is allowed in list. The list is a data type in Python. Now, valued stored in a list are accessed by using index. We know that in case of array also, if you know the C programming, we use the for accessing we use the index value. Same way on the list also we are accessing our values by using index, right? Now go to the Python shell. I will like to show you how to create a list. Now for an example, like we are like to take a variable like list 1. Open a square bracket. For an example, you store the integer value. For an example, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the list. How can you declare a list? In Python, we no require, don't bother about our data type. On the runtime, Python interpreter or runtime, they declare the understand this is a list data type. This list one is a data type that is list. Now, this was a way. Now, for printing, press enter. Now, for an example, if you try to print the value on list 1, just type list 1. Then again press enter. These values, these list are printed. Right? Now, for an example, we have say that the list are stored the different uh, data types values. Okay, we are examining that right or wrong. It is right or wrong. For an example, we take the one like 4.7, then take the hello. Okay, then again take the like 9, then again take 9.56, then again take like Python. This is string. Now close the square bracket. So this become a list 2. This is a become a list type. The list data type is list. Now this is a list variable. Now if you are clearly observed that in this list we are taking the values as the mixture of integer, this is integer value, float value, string value, again integer, float, then string. We try to check that is lister is correct, that we know that lister storing the data of the different data types also. Lister allowed it. Lister flexible to allow it to storing the different data types value. It is right or wrong. That's why we are identify it. So press the enter. Now we are like to print the list. That's why just type the list 2, then press enter. Yes, it is successfully printed. Now we are, if you have a doubt that is the list one is actually data type is list or not. So for this we are checking the using type function type. Then on that type function write the list one. Press enter. Yes, it is printed like class list. That means this list one is data type is list. That is the meaning of this sentence. Using the type function, by using type function we are finding the what type of data it is. Now I like to show you how to access the elements. For an example, if we are accessing the 4, that means we are indexing from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? For an example, if you are accessing the like 4, that means what is the index of it? 4. If you are printing like list 1 of 3, list 1 of 3, now then enter list 1 of 3, then because 5, that means 0, 1, 2, 3. Achha, now if you are printing 4, so for an example we are checking like list 1 of 2, which value are we printed, press on enter, so 4 is successfully printed. That means our same way as array index start from 0, list index start from 0. This is 0 index 1, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5, same way. Now that's why we are accessing the list element. Now this is a list, okay. Now for an example I like to show you a nested list, means list on the inside another list. For this we are take another variable, that is list string. Now we use the double, means double square bracket, means inside a square bracket there is another square bracket. For an example we store like 1, then 7.5, okay. Now and then comma, then again use a square bracket like hello, like 7, like 6.8, okay. Now again close the square bracket. So these become a list. Now if you are clearly observed that this is the list, this is the list, again this is the whole is a storing on the another list, that is list 3. Now this is the concept of the nested list. That means these two lists is under the this biggest list, that is list 3. Now this is the means I try to say that this is the 0th index element of list 3, means list 3 of 0. If you have printed list 3 of 0, print this list. If you have printed list 3 of 1, this list are printed. If I write or wrong, we are checked. Now for an example, we print the list 3 of 0. Which value is printed, we check. Yes, that means this is 0, this is the element, this whole list is the element of list 3. Index is 0. Now for an example, we check that list 3 of 1. Which value are printed, we check. Press enter. So this, that means now, right, we are printed, right. So this is basically concept of list data type in Python. Thank you.